How to find my Gmail password on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can find Gmail password on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, open up the Gmail application in a mobile device, and here make sure that you're logged in with your preferred Google account. If not, you can switch between your account by tapping on the profile icon at the top right. And so once you're here, now again tap on the profile icon at the top right and then tap on Google account below the profile name. So once you're here, again navigate to the menu bar under your profile name. From there, swipe to your left and then go to security. Once you're under security, keep on scrolling and you will find an option that says password manager. Tap on it. So once you're under password manager, scroll down a bit and look for google.com and tap on it. Now provide your device fingerprint password. Once you're here, now you can view your Gmail password from here once you tap on this eye icon. And that's how you can find your Gmail password on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.